If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this style on Morgan, stay tuned. Hey family, we are back with another Mommy and Morgan edition. I know it's been a little while, but we are back now. So as you all can see, I am doing mini twists on Morgan's hair, but I'm going to be adding a little razzle dazzle to the end just to kind of give this style a different look. So I am really bad about showing you guys the products that I used. I think I forgot about it before I got started, but the products that I'm using on her hair are the Miche beauty products. So I used the leave-in on her hair. Then I went in with just an oil mixture that I had, and I put oil, and then I used the twisting cream. Alright family, so please excuse my daughter's runny nose. We're just gonna skip right over that. So basically I'm done with the mini twist, and once you get to this front section right here, I just begin to part it. And so the first row is going to be 2 twists. So I made it into 2 sections, and what you just saw me doing was I basically took some rubber bands and I applied some oil on the rubber bands. This just kind of helps give the rubber band some slip so that they don't pull at her hair, tug at her hair when it's time to take them out. It'll be easy for them to come out. And then so the front row I did 2 twists, and the back row is going to consist of 3 twists. And so after you kind of section those off into different parts, then you're just simply going to begin to twist the hair down to create a twist. But of course the rubber band is at the root, and then you twist all the way down to the end. Now this part is pretty simple, so basically what I'm just going to do now is I'm just going to create that crisscross illusion. So I'm going to take the first twist that's in the front row and I'm going to cross it over, and then I'm going to take the other one and I'm going to cross it to the opposite side and make sure that I secure it down with a rubber band. Then after I have taken the two twists in the front, then I'm just going to gather the whole section and I am going to put a rubber band up at the top to create a half up, half down look, and that's pretty much it. Then you are done. So those of you that know me, you know that twists are my go-to style for my hair as well as my daughter's hair. Being that I have not learned yet how to cornrow, so I don't really know how to do those styles yet, but it's okay. So as you can see, I like to do these simple styles, but to add a little variation to it, I do something different just to give it a different look. And of course, yes, we have to lay down those edges and you are pretty much all done.
Hi guys.
As always, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that like button, comment, and make sure you subscribe. See you next time.